Welcome to the fascinating world of Indian railways. Today, we're embarking on a journey from Chennai, the vibrant capital of Tamil Nadu, to Mysore, the cultural gem of Karnataka. This train route, spanning over 500 kilometers, is not just about connecting two cities. It's a journey through time, culture, and history. But did you know there are many hidden gems and unknown facts about this route? Let's dive in. Our journey begins in the bustling city of Chennai, where the train departs from the iconic Chennai Central Railway Station. This station itself is a historical marvel, dating back to 1873, and has witnessed the evolution of Indian railways for over a century. The Cultural Corridor. As you travel from Chennai to Mysore, you're traversing what's known as the Cultural Corridor of South India. This route is steeped in history, with stops at ancient towns like Kanchipuram and Vellore, each with its own rich legacy of temples, forts, and traditional art forms. The diverse landscapes. The journey offers a stunning variety of landscapes. From the coastal plains of Tamil Nadu to the rocky terrains of Karnataka, and the lush greenery of the Kaveri Delta, this train ride is a visual treat. The stretch near the Srirangapatna station, close to the river Kaveri, is particularly scenic. The Royal Connection. Mysore, our destination, is famously known as the City of Palaces. But did you know that the train journey from Chennai to Mysore has a royal connection? The route was once used by the Maharajas of Mysore to travel to their summer palaces in Ooty and Coonoor. The train even had special carriages reserved for the royal family. The evolution of the route. The Chennai to Mysore route has a fascinating history. Originally, this journey involved multiple train changes and a cumbersome process of ferry crossings. Over the years, with the advent of modern railway engineering, the route was streamlined to offer a smooth and comfortable journey. The introduction of electric trains in the 1980s marked a significant milestone, reducing travel time and increasing efficiency. The haunted station of Srirangapatna. One of the lesser-known stories along this route is about the Srirangapatna railway station, often rumored to be haunted. Locals believe that the spirits of soldiers from the Fourth Anglo-Mysore War roam the area. Though it's just a tale, it adds an eerie charm to the historical significance of this station. The Mysore Palace illuminations. Arriving in Mysore, the grandeur of the Mysore Palace welcomes you. If you time your journey right, you could witness the stunning illumination of the palace. Over 100,000 light bulbs illuminate this architectural marvel, creating a breathtaking spectacle every Sunday and during festivals. The palace's grandeur is best appreciated after a relaxing train journey. The historical Madras-Bangalore line connection. Before the Chennai to Mysore route became a direct journey, travelers had to rely on the older Madras-Bangalore line, which was one of the earliest railway lines in southern India, established in 1864. The extension of this line to Mysore was a monumental engineering achievement in the late 19th century, connecting key cultural and economic centers. The Mysore Maharaja's private train carriages. The Maharaja of Mysore had specially designed luxurious train carriages that were used exclusively for his travel. These carriages were richly decorated with fine woodwork, plush seating, and even a dining area. Some of these royal carriages are now preserved in railway museums, offering a glimpse into the opulent lifestyles of Indian royalty. The role of the Kaveri River. The Kaveri River plays a significant role along this route, particularly as the train crosses its path several times. The river has been a lifeline for the agricultural lands of Karnataka, and the scenic views along the riverbanks provide a serene backdrop to the journey. The region around the Kaveri is also known for its wildlife, including migratory birds and even the occasional sighting of elephants. The engineering marvel of the Shatabdi Express. The Shatabdi Express, one of the trains running between Chennai and Mysore, is known for its speed and efficiency. What's fascinating is the engineering behind it. This train was specifically designed to handle the varying terrains of the route, from flat plains to steep gradients, ensuring a smooth and swift journey. The Somanathapura Temple Detour. While not directly on the train route, a short detour from Mysore takes you to the Somanathapura Temple, an exquisite example of Hoysala architecture. This lesser-known gem is often overlooked by tourists, making it a perfect off-the-beaten-path destination for those interested in history and architecture. The greenery of the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, part of the train route, runs close to the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, a UNESCO-designated area known for its rich biodiversity. Passengers can catch glimpses of the lush forests and, if lucky, even spot wildlife such as deer, wild boars, or peacocks from the train window. This proximity to nature adds an element of adventure to the journey. The heritage sites along the route. The Chennai to Mysore train journey passes through several towns that are home to UNESCO World Heritage Sites. One such site is the group of monuments at Mahabalipuram, accessible from Chennai, which includes rock-cut temples, caves, and sculptures dating back to the 7th century. This adds an extra layer of cultural significance to the journey. The influence of Tipu Sultan. Tipu Sultan, the ruler of the Kingdom of Mysore in the 18th century, left an indelible mark on the region. His summer palace, located near Srirangapatna, is visible from the train, and the surrounding areas are steeped in history related to his reign. Tipu Sultan was also known for his advancements in rocketry, and artifacts from his time can still be found in the region. The architectural marvel of Mysore Junction. Mysore Junction, the final stop on this journey, is more than just a railway station. The station building is an architectural marvel with a blend of modern and traditional styles, reflecting the cultural richness of Mysore. The station has been carefully maintained, with heritage elements preserved to give travelers a sense of Mysore's regal past. The electrification milestone. The Chennai to Mysore train route is fully electrified, a milestone achieved in the early 2000s. This electrification not only made the journey faster and more efficient but also reduced the environmental impact of the trains. The transition from diesel to electric locomotives on this route is a testament to Indian Railways' commitment to modernization and sustainability. The mysterious disappearance of the gold treasure. One of the most intriguing stories along this route involves the disappearance of a gold treasure during the British colonial era. The treasure, believed to have been looted from a temple, was being transported by train when it mysteriously vanished somewhere between Vellore and Bangalore. Despite numerous investigations, the treasure was never found, and the mystery remains unsolved to this day. The connection to the Wodeyar dynasty. The Wodeyar dynasty, which ruled Mysore for over 500 years, had a deep connection with the development of the railway network in the region. The Maharajas of Mysore were instrumental in promoting the construction of railway lines, including the route from Bangalore to Mysore, which was later extended to connect with Chennai. This route played a key role in the economic and cultural exchange between the regions. The agricultural heartland. As the train passes through the plains of Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, it crosses some of the most fertile agricultural lands in India. These regions are known for their production of rice, sugarcane, and silk. The train journey offers a unique opportunity to witness the daily life of farmers and the extensive fields that sustain the local economy. The station names with historical significance. Many of the stations along the Chennai to Mysore route have names steeped in history. For example, Katpadi Junction is derived from Kadu Padai, meaning forest army, referencing the town's historical significance as a military base during the reign of the Pallava dynasty. Similarly, the name Bangalore is believed to have originated from Bendakaluru, meaning town of boiled beans, which is linked to a local legend. the Chennai-Egmore railway station's role. While Chennai Central is the primary station for this route, the Chennai-Egmore station also plays a significant role. Egmore Station, built in 1908, is known for its unique architectural style blending Gothic and Romanesque elements. It serves as a secondary hub for trains to and from southern Tamil Nadu and was initially the main station for southbound trains before the central station took over that role. The engineering feat of the sea. One of the engineering marvels on this route is the Sholavaram Bridge, which the train crosses shortly after leaving Chennai. Built in the early 20th century, this bridge was a major challenge due to the swampy terrain and frequent flooding. The construction of the bridge marked a significant achievement in railway engineering, allowing for safe and reliable passage over a critical waterway. The ghost station of Nanjangud. Close to Mysore lies the small town of Nanjangud, home to one of the oldest railway stations in the region. Although no longer in regular use, the Nanjangud station is shrouded in local legends, with some claiming it to be haunted by the spirits of workers who died during its construction in the 19th century. The station, with its eerie atmosphere and colonial architecture, adds a mysterious element to the journey. The role of the route in silk production. Karnataka is renowned for its silk, and the Chennai to Mysore route passes through regions that are integral to silk production, particularly around the town of Ramanagara, often referred to as the Silk City. This region supplies silk to major markets in Chennai and Bangalore, and the train plays a crucial role in transporting this valuable commodity. The integration with the Golden Quadrilateral. The Chennai to Mysore route is part of India's larger Golden Quadrilateral railway network, which connects the four major metropolitan cities: Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata. This integration enhances the strategic importance of the route, linking it to major economic and trade corridors across the country. The Cultural Festival Express. Every year during the Dussehra festival in Mysore, the trains on this route witness a significant increase in passengers. Mysore Dussehra, often referred to as the Nadahaba, or State Festival, is celebrated with grandeur, attracting tourists from all over India. Special trains and extra coaches are often added during this period to accommodate the influx of travelers heading to Mysore for the celebrations. The secret tunnel of Srirangapatna, near the town of Srirangapatna, which the train passes through, lies a lesser-known secret, a tunnel that was part of Tipu Sultan's escape route during the Fourth Anglo-Mysore War. While the train doesn't pass through this tunnel, the proximity to this historic site adds an element of intrigue to the journey. The tunnel remains hidden from the general public but is a significant part of the area's history. The Dadbalapur weaving legacy. One of the stations en route, Dadbalapur, is famous for its handloom industry, particularly for weaving silk saris. The train journey offers a glimpse into the traditional crafts of the region, with many local traders using the train to transport their goods. The Dadbalapur saris, known for their intricate designs and quality, are a testament to the rich textile heritage of Karnataka. The first-class heritage coaches, on certain trains running between Chennai and Mysore, you can find heritage first-class coaches that have been refurbished to reflect the elegance of a bygone era. These coaches, with their wooden interiors, vintage decor, and comfortable seating, offer passengers a taste of how railway travel was experienced by the elite in the early 20th century. The Vellore Fort view. One of the highlights of the journey is the view of the Vellore Fort as the train passes through Vellore. Built in the 16th century, this fort is a prominent historical site and was once the seat of power for various South Indian dynasties. The fort's majestic walls and the surrounding moat make for a captivating sight from the train, especially during sunset. The railway junction with a zoo, Mysore Junction. Mysore Junction is unique for its proximity to the Mysore Zoo, one of the oldest and most well-maintained zoological gardens in India. The zoo, which was established in 1892, is just a short distance from the railway station. Many travelers, especially families, make a stop at the zoo either before or after their train journey, combining travel with a fun and educational experience. The palaces of Bangalore along the route. As the train approaches Bangalore, passengers are treated to views of some of the city's famous palaces, including the Bangalore Palace, which is modeled after England's Windsor Castle. The palatial architecture visible from the train windows serves as a reminder of Bangalore's royal past and its significance as a cultural hub. The Chennai Railway's Historical Museum. For history enthusiasts starting their journey in Chennai, a visit to the Chennai Railways Museum near Perambur is a must. This museum showcases the evolution of Indian railways, with exhibits including vintage steam engines, old carriages, and railway artifacts. It provides context and background to the journey ahead, making the train ride even more meaningful. The scenic Ranganathitu Bird Sanctuary. Near the town of Srirangapatna lies the Ranganathitu Bird Sanctuary, the largest bird sanctuary in Karnataka. While the train doesn't pass directly through the sanctuary, the surrounding area is a haven for birdwatchers. Passengers can often spot a variety of migratory birds from the train, especially during the winter months when the sanctuary hosts species like painted storks, herons, and ibises. The origin of modern Indian rock music. An interesting cultural tidbit related to this route is the connection between Bangalore and the origin of modern Indian rock music. Bangalore, one of the key cities along the Chennai to Mysore route, has long been regarded as the rock capital of India. The city's music scene flourished in the 1980s, and many bands from this era often traveled by train to perform in Chennai, spreading the influence of rock music across South India. The Chennai to Mysore train journey is more than just a means of transportation. It's a voyage through history, culture, and nature, offering passengers a glimpse into the rich heritage of South India. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or just someone seeking a unique travel experience, this train journey is sure to leave you with unforgettable memories. So, next time you board this train, remember, you're not just traveling. You're exploring a corridor filled with stories waiting to be discovered.